Prehistoric sea monsters, creatures that once dominated the ancient oceans, were among the most fearsome predators of their time. From the massive mosasaurs, serpentine reptiles with powerful jaws, to the formidable megalodon, a colossal shark whose teeth could crush whale bones, these giants ruled the depths. Plesiosaurs, with their long necks and paddle-like flippers, glided through the waters, while the armored Dunkleosteus, a prehistoric fish with razor-sharp plates for teeth, could bite with incredible force. These ancient marine creatures played crucial roles in their ecosystems, showcasing the diversity and evolutionary marvels of life in Earth's prehistoric oceans. The extinction of certain prehistoric sea monsters, such as the giant mosasaurs, plesiosaurs, and the colossal megalodon, marked the end of an era of titanic predators in Earth's oceans. These ancient creatures disappeared due to a combination of factors, including massive environmental changes, climate shifts, and the Cretaceous-Paleogene extinction event. However, their legacy persists in the modern oceans, where living fossils like the coelacanth, horseshoe crabs, and the frilled shark continue to thrive. The coelacanth, once thought to have been extinct for millions of years, was rediscovered off the coast of South Africa in 1938, providing a glimpse into the distant past. Similarly, horseshoe crabs, with their ancient, armored exoskeletons, have changed little over 450 million years. The frilled shark, a primitive relative of the sharks that swam with dinosaurs, has been called a living fossil for its snake-like body and unmodified features that link it directly to ancient predatory sharks. These survivors offer invaluable insights into evolutionary processes and highlight the resilience of certain species in adapting to the ever-changing conditions of the world's oceans. Our modern marine predators are a diverse and formidable group, each evolved to thrive in the vast, complex ecosystems of the world's oceans. Sharks, such as the great white and tiger shark, remain among the most iconic and effective hunters, using speed, strength, and sharp teeth to catch a wide variety of prey. Orcas, or killer whales, are apex predators known for their intelligence and social hunting strategies, often working in coordinated groups to hunt seals, whales, and even sharks. Sperm whales, with their massive size and specialized feeding on deep-sea squid, maintain their position as the largest toothed predator. In the warmer tropical seas, the aggressive barracuda and the stealthy moray eel are top predators, striking quickly and with precision. Meanwhile, the lionfish, an invasive species in some areas, has become a dangerous predator in coral reefs, preying on smaller fish and disrupting local ecosystems. These modern marine predators, with their unique adaptations and strategies, continue to shape the health and balance of marine environments, maintaining roles similar to those of their ancient counterparts. Prehistoric marine invertebrates were the backbone of ancient ocean ecosystems, showcasing a remarkable diversity of forms and functions. Trilobites, one of the most iconic groups, scuttled along the seafloor, their segmented bodies and compound eyes providing them with a competitive edge. Ammonites, with their spiral shells, thrived in the ancient seas, using jet propulsion to navigate and evade predators. Brachiopods, resembling clams, anchored themselves to the seabed, filtering nutrients from the water. Sea scorpions, or eurypterids, were some of the largest arthropods to have ever lived, dominating their environments as formidable hunters. These invertebrates not only defined the marine landscapes of the Paleozoic and Mesozoic eras but also laid the groundwork for the complex marine ecosystems we see today. Anomalocaris was a giant predatory arthropod that lived during the Cambrian period, around 520 million years ago. Growing up to 3 feet long, it was one of the largest and most formidable hunters of its time. It had a streamlined body with large, flexible lobes along its sides, allowing it to move efficiently through the water. At the front of its head, Anomalocaris had 2 spiny, segmented appendages used to grasp and manipulate prey, likely feeding on soft-bodied organisms and possibly even trilobites. Its mouth was circular, lined with overlapping plates that could crush food. Unlike modern arthropods, Anomalocaris had large, stalked compound eyes, providing it with excellent vision to detect movement in its environment. As one of the earliest apex predators, Anomalocaris played a crucial role in the Cambrian ecosystem, showcasing the rapid diversification of marine life during the Cambrian explosion. Sea scorpions had strong defenses, including spines, claws, and armor-like plating. They walked on 6 legs, with the back pair adapted into paddles for swimming. While they were more suited to walking on the seafloor, some species could swim short distances underwater. Most sea scorpions were marine dwellers, though some species might have ventured into brackish or freshwater environments. Megalograptus roamed the seafloor in search of fish, trilobites, and other small animals found in the sand and mud. It may have also engaged in cannibalism, feeding on others of its kind when the opportunity arose. Megalograptus grew by molting, shedding its exoskeleton to allow for growth. During this vulnerable time, it would likely have sought shelter in its environment, though there's no specific evidence of gathering for safety in numbers. Camarasaurus was a giant orthoconic cephalopod that lived during the Ordovician period, around 470 to 450 million years ago. One of the largest cephalopods of its time, it is estimated to have reached lengths of up to 9 meters, 30 feet, making it a dominant predator in ancient seas. Camarasaurus had a long, straight conical shell divided into chambers, which it used to regulate buoyancy by adjusting the levels of gas and liquid inside. Its soft body emerged from the open end of the shell, equipped with long tentacles used to grasp prey, which likely included early fish, trilobites, and other marine arthropods. It moved through jet propulsion, expelling water from a siphon, similar to modern squids and nautiluses. As one of the top predators of the Ordovician seas, Camarasaurus played a crucial role in shaping early marine ecosystems. Brontoscorpio was an ancient, giant sea scorpion that lived during the Silurian period, around 430 million years ago. Growing up to 8 feet in length, it was one of the largest known arthropods of its time. Brontoscorpio had a robust, armored body with long, spiny claws and a segmented tail, which likely helped in hunting and self-defense. It was a predatory creature, using its claws to capture fish, trilobites, and other small marine life from the seafloor. Though primarily aquatic, Brontoscorpio may have occasionally ventured into brackish waters. Like other arthropods, it grew by molting, shedding its exoskeleton to allow for continued growth. Brontoscorpio is one of the earliest examples of large, predatory arthropods, marking a key stage in the evolutionary history of ancient marine life.
Pterygotus was a large genus of sea scorpions that lived during the Silurian and Devonian periods. With some species growing up to 8 feet long, they were among the largest arthropods of their time. Equipped with long, spiny claws and a tough, armored exoskeleton, Pterygotus was a formidable predator and scavenger. They primarily inhabited marine environments, where they used their powerful claws to catch prey like fish, trilobites, and other smaller creatures. Pterygotus had well-developed legs for walking along the seafloor, and some species likely had paddle-like appendages for swimming short distances. Although primarily aquatic, some evidence suggests that Pterygotus may have ventured into shallow, brackish waters. They grew by molting, shedding their exoskeletons to allow for continued growth throughout their lives.